Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into revolutionary kitchen gadgets that you'll want in your home right now. These tools are transforming how we cook, prep, and enjoy food. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a casual cook, there's something here for everyone. Let's start with smart gadgets. Imagine an oven with a brain, like the Breville Smart Oven, that adjusts itself to perfectly cook your meals. Or a Wi-Fi connected coffee maker that brews your favorite cup before you even get out of bed. These tools save time and add convenience to your routine. For those focused on saving time, the Instant Pot is a game changer. It's a pressure cooker, slow cooker, and air fryer all in one. Pair it with a Ninja Express Chop to speed up vegetable prep or an automatic pan stirrer for hands-free cooking. Health conscious? Try an air fryer for crispy meals with minimal oil or a spiralizer to turn veggies into pasta. And if smoothies are your thing, the NutriBullet Pro blends them to perfection. Looking for fun? A pancake art kit lets you create breakfast masterpieces, while an ice cream maker adds excitement to dessert time. For restaurant-quality cooking, try a sous vide precision cooker for perfectly tender meals. Before buying, think about how often you'll use these gadgets and whether they fit your kitchen. Quality matters, so choose reliable brands. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more kitchen inspiration. Tell us in the comments which gadget caught your eye.